bit bored at the moment. I'm away in a hotel, staying in the Hilton Hotel in Derby. And don't ask me why I brought my drones with me. And you're not meant to fly drones near an airport, we know that. But it just got me thinking, if I did ever get a job trying to fly a drone around a hotel that's near an airport and no fly zone, are you allowed to fly? Out of my own curiosity, I just wondered, are you allowed to fly a drone around the building? Not outside, not up in the air, but indoors around the hotel. Can you fly that drone around the building if they ask you to do some sort of tour? Now, I've got the DJI Neo 2 with me. I've got my new lovely Avata 2 with me. That's a little bit big of a beast. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fly this little one around this small room. Just out of curiosity, I just wonder if it will take off and fly. I'm going to use the old trusty goggles, and I'm going to use the motion controller. So I'm going to switch on the drone, switch on the goggles, switch on the controller. See if I can do a little fly. It's a tiny little room. I'm using the Neo 2. It's ideal for this. I'll leave the Avata 2 out of it for now. On the Neo 2, I'm going to switch it on and see if it will let me take off, basically. I've got a battery already on it. I'll just three lights, so it's got to be a power in it. Will it let me fly, or will it come up, sorry, no fly zone, you're near an airport? Bearing in mind I'm inside the property, so I'm going to switch this on. That's on. I'm going to say goodbye now. I've got the aerials up. I'm going to put the goggles on, and then I'm going to put this on. And when I go inside, I'll show you what I've got to do. I've got to change the setup in here to the Neo 2. Goodbye. Oh, device connected. Device disconnected. If I try to link goggles to aircraft, go to menu status. Menu status, switch aircraft models. Menu status. There we go. Switch. I want to go to the Neo 2. Switch. Right, I've got it now. Hopefully. Oh, there we go. Right, I'm going to press record now so you can see what I can see. So, what's she come up there? Alright, shall I start? See what happens. Press lock button twice to start propellers. 1, 2. Come on. Oh, there we go. 2 quick presses. Press and hold the lock button to take off. Oh, here we go. Right, so let me take off. There we go. Alright. Into the room, so I'm going forward. There's the room. So yeah, basically the answer is yes, you can fly a drone. It's going to beep a lot because I don't want to smash anything up. It's going to beep a lot because I'm flying around this tiny room. And I've got obstacle avoidance switched on. Can I get through this doorway? It's going to let me go in the bathroom. Go on, go on. It won't let me. It's not letting me go in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back, breathing. I'm going to come back over here. I'll get the neighbours complaining in a minute. I'm going to turn, I'm going to press lock, and I'm going to go into settings, safety, obstacle avoidance off. So I've got obstacle avoidance switched off now. So it's going to beep. This is where I smash something and and get told off. So I'll go through there. And it should fit through. That's quite a big. Oh, I'm in. Oh wow! Look, there you go. Oh my god, it's a bit tight. I better come out of there. That's the bathroom. Have a little look around the bathroom of the Hilton Hotel. I'm coming out now. And I see dust flying everywhere. Oh. It's a bit tight. I better stop this soon before the neighbours complain. Come round. Oh, so basically I've got obstacle avoidance switched off at the moment. I'm going to come over here to me. There's the Avata there, look. Oh, right on my head. I should be able to take his goggles off. And I dropped it. It went so bloody well. I was getting a bit panicky. Yeah, it worked. Happy days. Let me just make sure I'm stopping the recording. See what's happening here. I stopped automatically. Yeah, okay. I think that went well. Let's see, get that back. Recording again, am I? No. Yep, I'm recording. There you go, there's the Avata. So there's me. And there's my little Osmo pocket. I've got my controllers there and everything. Now, I was going to do some training. See the thing here? The other controller, I was going to do some training with the other laptop today, or this week, but I've not really had time. By the time I get back from the course, training. We're on a training course at the moment. By the time I get back from the training course, and by the time I get back from the training course, get showered and changed, and have some food and that, a couple of beers, it's time for bloody bed. I'm looking forward to getting back home and getting down the park and flying a drone. The sun is out lately, so it's getting better weather. I'll see you again. Let's turn this off, actually. Press that. Get these goggles off. Turn that off. Turn that off. And turn that off. There you go. Thank you for watching, people. A little tour of the Hilton Hotel standard room. I'm not going to tell the room number. It's a downstairs one. In case that we get told off and someone watches this go, oh, naughty boy. Yeah. I'm not really in the Hilton Hotel. Well, I am, but well, no one says. There's no sign saying do not fly drones indoors in this hotel. So there you go. Such I do what I want. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and many more. And I've got some other videos coming up when I get back. Hopefully. And the sun is shining. The light's getting lighter in the morning, lighter at night now. The sun is shining. Everything's good. Like, subscribe. I'll see you again soon. I'm going for dinner. Bye bye.